Meigs County Railroad here with you again, folks. Sorry I hadn't posted lately, but I've been awful busy working the back shift and stuff. But I just got a DT&I high hood locomotive number 982. And there's also actual pictures of this locomotive on Google if you want to take a look at it. And I just got it unboxed and on the track. It's a really nice locomotive. Got it from eBay. It's weathered. Really nice. It's got the old style couplers on it. I may be changing them out. I gotta get a better phone. This one don't focus very well. There, maybe you can see the old style coupler. If you hold on just a second, we'll run it around the track. There it comes. Gotta do a little track cleaning. I'll get down here a little closer for you. Got a bad place in the track over yonder. It probably needs to run a little while too. It's probably been sitting a while. Need to get the grease distributed. I need to take it apart, clean it up, lubricate it. But this is what it looks like. I'm definitely not a hand model. It looks really nice. Both sides. DT&I 982.